Hey guys, it is a new year. I cannot believe we're already a week into it. I've been home the past 2 days because we just got a ton of snow dumped on us and it is freezing here. So I thought it would kind of be the perfect time to upload my How to Beat the Winter Blues video. This is something that's pretty important to me because I do tend to get down a little bit in the winter months. I know this happens to a lot of people. It's colder, it's darker, you can't go outside as much as you can in the summer and just enjoy the sun. So I wanted to put together a few things to share with you what I like to do in the winter months to sort of just keep my mood positive and uplifted and just get through those few months. So I hope you guys will find this useful. I also am going to tell you about how you can get some free product from a company that I'm really enjoying right now. So that will be a little bit later in the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's start off with something really easy, which is just painting your nails in a bright color. I'm not the best at doing my own nails, but I do it all the time anyway, and I choose a really bright, vibrant color in the winter. This one is called Tarte Deco. It's by Essie, and it's one of my favorite summer colors, so I'll just paint it on my nails in the winter, and every time I look at it, it just makes me smile. So definitely try this one out. For me, I think it really works. This next one is also going to seem really simple, but it's just to switch out your hand soaps and lotions for floral scents or summer scents. It could be even a beachy scent that makes you think of summer. But this is the geranium scent from Mrs. Meyer's, and it seems silly, but just the simple act of washing your hands with a floral scent and then using lotion afterward, which is going to stay with you throughout the day. You're just going to get like a little whiff of that scent. Really does make a big difference and is an instant mood booster. So these products that I'm using are from a company called Grove Collaborative, and what it is a product delivery service. So they deliver cleaning products and home products right to your door every month. So you can go on and sign up and browse through the items that they have. They carry all non-toxic brands, so Method, Mrs. Meyer's, 7th Generation, and deliver them right to your door. Now, you can also skip a month, so they'll send you a reminder that your delivery is coming, and if you don't need anything that month, you just empty out your cart, and then you don't get charged, you don't buy anything that month. But you can go on and decide every month what you want, what you need, and I've been using it since November, and I'm really enjoying it. So if you guys sign up for that, you're actually going to get a bunch of free product from them when you spend $20. So you would get this Grove Cleaning Caddy, which is going to have a Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, a Mrs. Meyer's hand lotion, as well as a dish soap and a walnut scrubber sponge. So I've been using the dish soap and sponge as well on the things that I need to hand wash, so some of my mugs, and the tough side of the sponge is really good on pots and pans. So like I said, if you guys want to sign up for that, you are going to get some free product, that whole kit that I just showed you, whenever you spend $20. So I will leave that link in the description box down below. Something that I absolutely hate in winter is when I have dry skin and dry, cracked lips. Now, even though I use chapstick and lip balm continuously throughout the day, sometimes when it's really cold out, it's just impossible to avoid having cracked lips. So something that I really like to do is exfoliate them with a sugar scrub. To make this, you just need to combine a cup of white granulated sugar with a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and then I'm using this lemon essential oil because the citrus scent reminds me of summer, and I'm just mixing that all together. I added about 20 to 25 drops of the essential oil, and I'm just combining that and then adding it to a little jar. Now this will stay good, you don't have to refrigerate it. It will stay good for a while even if you're only using a small amount at a time. And how I use it is I just put a little bit on my lips and sort of scrub it around and make sure I'm getting all the areas that are cracked. And then I take a washcloth with some more water and just wipe it right off, and my lips feel so smooth. This is so good if you're about to use it right before you put lipstick on because it keeps your lips really smooth and the lipstick won't like get into the dry areas of your lips, which is awesome. Okay, this is a really fun one. This is something that I started doing about a year ago after someone gave me a bunch of these for Christmas. So it's just coloring. So I get under a bunch of blankets and pillows and I just get my coloring book. I have a ton of them. These are like Zen patterns and designs, and they have some really pretty pictures, and I just get my colored pencils and light a candle and just get really cozy and color, and I swear it just takes your mind away from anything else. You're so warm and cozy and coloring. So yeah, if you haven't done this before, definitely try it out. I honestly swear by it. Okay, this last one is something that puts me in a good mood but also is really healthy. So I'm always trying to drink more water, and especially every year in the new year, I'm like, okay, this year I'm gonna drink more water, but I'm so bad at remembering to do it. So what I've been doing lately is infusing my water with fruit. So I'm just cutting up different things like cucumber slices and strawberry slices, and I actually also added some lime slices to this. You could add mint, orange, whatever fruits you like, but but then I just add a bunch of ice into a pitcher, and then I toss in the fruits and veggies that I sliced up, and then I just fill it up with water, let it sit for about, you know, maybe an hour. You could even do half an hour, but the longer you let it sit, the stronger the fruit flavor is going to be. And then just pour yourself a glass, and it tastes so good. It reminds me of summer because it's got that strawberry fresh flavor that obviously is a summer flavor, and it makes me want to drink more water. So I'm getting healthy, I'm thinking spring, thinking summer, and it's really good. So definitely try that one out and try to mix up the flavors and see what you like. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're somewhere cold right now, I hope you're staying warm, and if you're somewhere warm, I'm jealous of you, so enjoy it. I wish I was there. And don't forget to check out the link below for Grove Collaborative if you want to learn more about them and see how you can get some free product. I think you guys will really enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and to give this one a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week for a brand new video. Bye!